12th July 2026. Apple is suing OpenAI. Elon Musk is fighting with Sam Altman again. Meta shut down a new AI feature in just a few days. And India is now the world's biggest user of AI search. It's 12th July. Let's look at today's top tech news. Apple sues OpenAI. Our biggest story today: Apple has sued OpenAI. Apple says OpenAI stole its secret information. Apple believes OpenAI used this stolen information to build its own AI hardware, like phones or gadgets. Here's what happened. Two people used to work at Apple. They left Apple and joined OpenAI. One of them kept his Apple work laptop even after leaving. He used it to download secret files, like plans for new products that were not released yet. The second person is more important. His name is Tan Tan. He worked at Apple for 24 years. He helped design the iPhone and Apple Watch. Now he works at OpenAI as their hardware boss. Apple says he used Apple's secret code names to hire more Apple workers. He even asked job candidates to bring real Apple parts to their interviews. Apple wrote in the case, OpenAI has been stealing Apple's secrets from regular workers all the way up to their hardware boss. OpenAI said this in reply, "We don't want other companies' secrets, we just want to build good technology." Why does this matter? OpenAI has been secretly building its own hardware device. Some reports say Apple's old design chief, Jony Ive, is helping with it. This device may launch later this year. But now this lawsuit could delay it. This is also bad timing for OpenAI, because they are also planning to sell shares to the public soon, called an IPO. Just 2 years ago, Apple and OpenAI were partners. They worked together to bring ChatGPT into Siri. Now they are fighting in court. Musk versus Altman. Right after this news, Elon Musk attacked Sam Altman online again. He called him a scammer. Musk and Altman have been fighting for years. Musk actually helped start OpenAI a long time ago. Later he left and built his own AI company called XAI. Since then, they don't get along. This isn't just personal drama. It affects how people see the whole AI industry right now. Meta removes AI photo tool. Meta launched a new AI tool that could create images, but just a few days later, they removed it completely from all their apps. Why? People were worried about their privacy. They were scared their personal photos were being used in ways they didn't agree to. Meta reacted fast and pulled the feature down. This keeps happening with Meta. They launch new AI tools quickly, but pull them back just as fast when people complain about privacy. WhatsApp usernames on hold. WhatsApp was planning to let people use usernames instead of phone numbers. This would help keep phone numbers private. But this plan is now paused. The government raised concerns about safety and data protection, so WhatsApp is holding off on rolling this out worldwide for now. India cuts import taxes. Big news for India's tech industry. The government has removed or lowered import taxes on smartphone and electronic parts. This means it will be cheaper for companies to make phones and gadgets inside India, instead of bringing in parts from other countries. This is a big push to help India become a stronger hub for making electronics. ISRO's space mission progress. India's space agency ISRO just passed an important test for their human space flight program, called Gaganyaan. They tested the engine system that will help control the spacecraft when it carries Indian astronauts into space. This test went well. It's one of the last big steps before India can send humans into space on its own rocket. BSNL's new satellite phone. BSNL, India's telecom company, launched a satellite phone. It costs 1.34 lakh rupees. This phone is made for people in faraway places like mountains, forests, or disaster areas where normal phone signals don't reach. It works using satellites instead of phone towers. Microsoft uses its own AI. Microsoft is replacing some AI tools from other companies, like ChatGPT and Claude, with its own AI models. The main reason is money. Using other companies' AI costs a lot. By building and using their own AI, Microsoft can save money and have more control. India leads the world in AI search. Here's a surprising fact. 89% of people in India now use AI tools, like chatbots, to search for information online instead of typing into Google. This makes India number 1 out of 19 countries studied. It shows people in India are switching to AI search faster than almost anywhere else in the world. Warning about computer chip shortage. Finally, a warning from SK Hynix, a big company that makes memory chips. They say the world could face its worst ever shortage of memory chips by 2027. This is because AI computers need a lot of memory, and there won't be enough supply to meet the demand. If this happens, phones, laptops, and computers could become more expensive because parts will be harder to find. That's today's tech news. Apple and OpenAI are in a big legal fight. Meta pulled back on a privacy issue. and India is becoming a leader in both AI and space technology. If you want to know how all this AI news is affecting jobs, especially in India, that video is coming soon. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Tell me in the comments, who do you think will win the Apple versus OpenAI case? See you in the next video.